Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming whether you use Java or Bedrock, because the method differs. Once done, locate or create a 64x64 PNG cape file and name it clearly. Make sure to backup your Minecraft folder or profile data before changing anything so you can revert. You'll also log into your Minecraft account or relevant mod manager now, since permissions and upload options depend on which platform you run. Next, install the toolchain you need. Optifine for Java or a resource pack/skin editor for Bedrock, and any Fabric/Forge mods if required. Convert and resize the cape PNG, checking transparency so the cape displays correctly. Use 64x64 or the mod-specified dimensions. Then upload via the Launcher Mod Manager or replace the cape file inside the resource pack. Once uploaded, enable or equip the cape in settings so the game reads the new asset. Finally, launch Minecraft, enable your resource pack or mod, and check the cape in third person. You should see the new design immediately if everything loaded. If it doesn't appear, clear the game cache, re-enable the pack, and restart the launcher. Make sure the mod version matches the game version. If the cape's shape looks wrong, re-edit the PNG to the exact dimensions and transparency the mod requires, then repeat the upload to resolve display issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.